Welcome to our deep dive into the 4 pillars of the cybersecurity framework, your guide to a robust security posture. This framework is essential for managing cybersecurity risk and is a crucial next step after understanding the different types of security controls. To quickly recap our previous video, security controls generally fall into 3 categories: preventative, detective, and corrective. Keep these in mind as we explore the 4 pillars. The 4 pillars, identify, protect, detect, and respond and recover, provide a comprehensive structure for managing and reducing cybersecurity risks across your organization. The first and foundational pillar is identify. You can't protect what you don't know you have. This phase is all about gaining a clear understanding of your organizational assets, the data they process, and the potential cybersecurity risks they face. An output of the identify pillar is establishing a clear risk management strategy based on the vulnerabilities you discover. Pillar number 2 is protect. This is where you implement safeguards to ensure the delivery of critical infrastructure services. Protect involves putting in place those preventative controls we talked about, like firewalls, encryption, and secure configurations. Crucial elements include strong access control mechanisms and ensuring that employees receive adequate security awareness training to mitigate human error. Next, we have detect. No protection is 100% foolproof, so being able to spot threats quickly is vital. Detection focuses on monitoring your systems continuously and performing regular security assessments to identify anomalies and potential breaches. This pillar relies heavily on detective controls like intrusion detection systems and security information and event management, or SIEM, tools. The final pillar is respond and recover. This is the action plan when an incident occurs. This involves developing, implementing, and regularly testing your incident response plans, ensuring your team knows exactly how to contain and eradicate a threat. Recovery efforts include taking corrective controls to restore systems and assets affected by the cyber incident, emphasizing business continuity and disaster recovery. These 4 pillars form a continuous cycle, creating an adaptive and resilient cybersecurity program for any organization. They are designed to work together, ensuring that your security measures are not just static, but evolve with the threat landscape. Start assessing your current security alignment with these pillars and build a stronger, more secure digital environment today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification icon to get notified when my next video is ready.